back to the channel, guys. I've been waiting a while for this one. Unless you're a DJI creator or you got very lucky, then you're probably just receiving this. This is the DJI Pro View combo with the new headset, the new DJI Avata drone, and the motion controller, which honestly I think is pretty gimmicky, but we're gonna give it a shot and see what happens. So let's get to the unboxing and see what this thing's all about. Big box for a little box. I don't know if you can see that, but I will pull it out just so you can see the comparison of what it came packed in and what it actually is like. And so, two little boxes. All right, let's keep going. Nice. So here is the new goggles. We have the new goggles and the motion controller in this little box. This is really small. And here is the drone. So check that out. And I'd say let's open up the drone first. So move this out of the way. And the drone is packed in a nice little baggie. Wow, that is a tiny little guy. Alright, let's see. Pop this thing open. Let's pull him out. And there you go. The DJI Avata. Let's see, compared to my hand, it's really small, especially compared to the other DJI drone. So let's put that guy there, consolidate the mess to one corner. And now let's go ahead and do the goggles. So these things are, I'm excited about these because if you've used DJI's V2 or version 2 or whatever they're called, the last generation of goggles, you know, those things weigh a ton and they're a bit heavy and chunky, so it's difficult taking them around. So these are supposed to be a bit smaller and more compact. So let's see. And this is great because I feel like you can just put these in your backpack and it's got folding antennas. So now you don't have to screw those annoying antennas on. You just fold them. And it's got a little guard as well for the eyepieces. So you don't have to worry about them as much, protecting them from the sun. And then the motion controller. I don't know how much we'll actually use this, but this is what you're supposed to fly this drone with. I'm gonna pair it with my DJI FPV drone controller. And then we have, this is to connect your cell phone to the headset for updates, and then the battery. And that's it. I think the next steps are pairing all this stuff together, and then pairing my remote to it, because I'm not gonna give this a shot the first try. I'm gonna put it in full manual and I'm gonna see how well this little camera performs. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and pair that all together and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So we are going to charge up a little bit here before we go to one of my favorite spots to fly drones. So we're finally charging. Electrify America failed us. EVgo is a bit slower. This car really can't charge much faster, but we're charging. We're gonna get to about 80-85% and then hit the road. 9 kilowatts, and if you know about electric cars, that's not very fast, but it is what it is, and it's better than nothing. At least these stations work. So I think I'll stay here another 5-10 minutes and get some extra juice. I'm gonna unplug this. We're gonna get all set up. We're gonna go to my favorite spot. Hopefully what people have been saying about the rates being kind of sensitive on the Avata aren't true, because I'm gonna fly it full manual. That's, in my opinion, the best way to do it. So I have the controller all hooked up, everything's set up. I just have to fly it. I haven't done that yet. So we finally got to the spot. Ryan's here. You can see him right there. I'm hiding behind a bench because it's super windy, so I don't know how well the audio will come out. We're gonna set up the Avata and we're gonna go for a flight and see how it holds up in, I think it said 10 mile an hour winds. So we'll see kind of how it handles those winds in full manual, and hopefully the rates are okay. So we're gonna find out right now. We're gonna set everything up and you guys are gonna see some footage right now. Alright guys, we are back in the apartment. I was going to film the outro in the location we were at, but it was just way too windy, so the audio would have been terrible. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it and you want to see more Avata content as well as other stuff, please subscribe below, and I have more videos coming. I have some tips for this thing, so make sure you subscribe and turn that notification on so that you guys don't miss out on those tips.